before we start our tutorial or showing my program, you might wanna hit the subscribe button here to keep on track on my um, channel. So let's start. So this program of mine will show you this program is specifically student record system. So this one will input record, do the input record, display all the records, display the best students, and display worst student or student who has a lowest grade, and of course save and exit. So um, this one, in this case, I have in this program I will show the implementation of structures and saving information to a text file. So now let's proceed. What I have done here, go back to this top. So I have declared some of function here. I am in header file. Yes, this one redefine this library says redefine functions that will help us to ease or help us excuse me the help us to minimize some of our work. So let's go ahead. In this one I have structures of a student that will hold the information of the students. So I have here the character, you get a character for the ID number and for the name of course for the student, the year that the student the course also, and of course the score, total grade, and the F grade, or the final grade. So this if you can notice, it has three array elements. That's element of an array. So we have capacity of three elements in this array. So this array will hold the quiz, project, long exam scores, as well as here the total points of quiz, project, long exam. This grade also will help us to save the grades of quiz, project, exam, respectively. One will help us to save the final grade of the student. In this this part of here, we have declared student, number of students. So this one array, this is pointer of this structure as pointer of this structure. So in this case, we have declared PC. So this means we could have of this structure in the understandable mean. We could save up to 50 students in this program. So let's proceed here. This is a pointer for each of the data type in this array, and let's continue to here. We can save the file in a text file. I have declared two text files, one for the information of the students and one for the total number of students. Let's go back to the main function. The main function, so this one basically is to or take the input record or just to pick one. The first one will set on active. The first one has this function, so the input or let's proceed to this function. This function will help us to record the information of a student. So before that, you should think to open, not to forget to open the text file we want to spell student information on the same. So let's go back to our main. As we can see here, we have declared this to open our the text file. So I have named the text file as let for the student information to be saved in this text file. So I have shown you here. I think it is here. Yes, this one. So let for the student information. So I have saved a while ago. I have saved from the see what's going inside in this function, and this one count record or keep track on the number of students. So as you can see in our student, we have two or only two. So student count is only also two, of course. Just go back to our program now here. Let's go back to our input. This one. So in this case, we have open this one for saving our text file to the I mean the information to student to this text file. We proceed here in this function. So this function will help us get information of student. So this one, this part I have declared here. I have opened the student count text file for saving the total number of students. So this one, or the computer asks the user to how many students you want to add. So it will be saved here in this variable, and as here. So this one, the student the user want to add is will be added and in total count of the students. So let's proceed here. Again, after saving this, we have student count or the mentor. We have to open this one and save the another text or another student to read the one. So after reading that, the purpose of that is to get the value, this one. Where's that? This one. Get this value to save in our variable text or save it in here. So STD count scanf. So fscanf will scan the text file student count this one to be saved in our here. So as of now we have two students. So after those we have to close it to save what is in here. So and help us to scan numbers of students depends on how students you want the user wants to add. So and um, how many or how many times the loop will loop again. So we just initialize I to 0, and if this statement will return false. So when I is lesser than the student add, greater than the student, because if I is lesser than the student and if it is true, the loop will continue to and loop and then because false will stop. And this one we ask the user to input all the information we've garnered. If you want to add a ratio and add two grade to the student. So information we garnered, we should not forget print it text file. So this syntax will help us print the information. So we have the phrase fprintf, and this are pointer for a text file student, and then this one, yeah, for roots, save this. I will declare another loop in this loop for the quiz or the grades of the student we want to input, because we have only three. As I mentioned about three arrays, so I have declared this as 3. If the j is less than 3, the loop will continue to loop or go around. So this pointer will help us to save the final grade. So this final grade is calculated using this formula. So this this one, formula of the final grade. Let's go back here. This part, this part is our function of our function functionality for function saving or getting student data and not procedure. After all those, we have calculated the final grade, and of course, we should not forget to forget to save to our text file. So let's go here. Let's add some student. Compare it again. Let's go run the program. Let's say 1 student object 0 say 3. His name is 1. I mean, course is let's say IT. Not that good in didn't start in his first quiz, so he only got 10 over 20. Oh no. And a project score of 20, say 20 over perfect. Let's say 20 over. So after all those, it was saved, and it will you know it will show us it's done, and again press and continue. Menu and select what we want to do next. So we input another student. Here, go back. Now I have to view this case to. So this case to this one will help us to view this the all student records. So before that, we should save this view list. So it's just simple. Let's close this one. Okay, it's that simple. So let's go proceed to this view list. So view list. In this view list, we want to read or we want to view the all the student data. So here we could say that we want to this I have made this selinum is the function we have declared to read again the student count in order to use this one in our function. Student count is equal to 0. Of course, this will print no student record. So it will prompt the user to input student first before displaying the all student record. So as you can see, as if student count is greater equal to 1, this will now before we view all the student records and display all the student records, we should open again that student information text now to read, not to write. So to read, you will get read the information from the text file. And then this another, because we have several number of students, so we should use loop. Before in writing student or appending student, I have used I print F to print the student to the text file. But now because we want only to read this, so we will use fscan if it. This syntax will help us to scan all the information from the students. I mean from the student text file, so that this loop will help us all the information in a text file. I've scanned it. After we scan, again, after using that, we use a pointer to print the specific student. I mean, all the student information here. Yeah, all the family, this one, etc. So this one is simply this one. To do or to name, we just have to change this one to our symbiosis for it. So this one, open, open, function, 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 to display, display on after all of this. Of course, let's continue. So we want to let's check it out if this really works. So before that, we want to check it. We want to check we want to check out our text as if what we're inputting is correct. So let's see. Oh, sorry. Let's see here. Here. Let's open our student count. So now, sorry, not this one. This one. Here. Now we have saved Superman, Superman. Now we have 3 students now. I have saved as ago. This one I have saved before 2 students, but now I have saved Superman. So this one is what we have saved. So it's true. We have saved this one. Now let's proceed to let's see if it works. Let's get the here. We want to display all the records. So oops. I mean, oh, sorry. Uh, this one. Sorry. Oops. This one. And sorry, I deleted. I think I deleted the student count a while ago. This one is equal to 3. So let's go back to our program. This one. F5. 11. Oh, no. Oh, no. Should save it first. Save it first. Wait. Oh, no. Sorry. Now this one to print screen records. Now we have it here. Let's see the student. In this equal text file. And this is our program. We scan all the information from this text file to our program. Let's see student 1. So student 1 has identification number 01. This one. Yes. Now continue to student number 2. Student number 2. And the student we have added this one. So here it is. Superman for IT. Let's go back. Let's continue. Back to our main this one, sorry. This one. Now let's proceed to this part. The displaying the best student and the worst student. So it's just easy. Are just easy. Are both easy. It's what just changed are the comparing students. So let's go proceed the high student. Okay, let's go the first to high student. So again, we want to this is a function. I have use this one. So this one will just simply, read again the text file, our student text file. Use use to read information from the text and text file for students. This one. So after all of those, we continue to proceed. We will proceed to this. So you can see this F scan F, this one, it's simply all the things to scan all the information. Now let's go proceed back. Let's go back here to our high student. So um, in here I have now the high student. So this will help us to get the high student. So this one is just all declare scan F for student, and again we have to scan again to display student. So after we scan all the student, we scan it here using the loop, and after using the loop, we'll compare it. So this one I have here. This is the most important part. So after we scan all of those, I have made a condition statement. So S dot I is F grade. So let's go back to that now. Here I have declared a variable name highest is equal to S0 F grade. So meaning our highest is the student 0 or our first student grade. So let's have here. So they could say that this is the final grade. So highest is equal to this one, the final grade of 1 or our first student. This one. Condition. Highest or those highest final grade is SIF grade. So this I will help us to compare each student's final grade to the highest. So um, unknown student I final grade of an unknown student is equal to highest. We use equal because we use the each type of grading system, which means we have 5 4 3 2 1, which one is the highest grade or the top grade, but the lowest of them also. I mean the lowest value, but in grading system one is the top student. So we use this one. This if our final grade of an unknown student is less than or equal to highest, then we declare this one HS. So HS will hold this one, the um, the number or the save in the final to save if let's say that the final the high student is at the element of let's say 0, let's say in the 2, and this one will help us after comparing all of those. This will also so meaning the high student will is in the array located to 2. But let's go back here in this example. So, visualize things. I mean, let's go back. Yes, yes, yes. So after comparing all of those, after the loop is done, we'll declare the highest now lesser than highest or the early create function. Now we will get the highest. Highest is equal to this one if it is true, and it will continue to loop again. And as long as we have is also the number student value. So let's go back to here. This one will print their top student. That's right. So the program. Right. This one. After continue and display the best student. So 3. Now we have here. Let's see our student information. We compare. Let's see and compare. Let's see. These are the final grades. 1.68, 1, and 1.8. So here one has a final grade. One has a final grade of 1.68. Now student number 2 named Hello has a final grade of 0. I mean one flat one. Wow, she's too intelligent. Comparing before, so we have compared that we have initialized that this is our high grade. So after that our loop continues to scan, we compare this one to this one. So this is our highest, so and this is an SI that grade. So SI that grade is or equal to the highest. So the value gets 2. So now we get this one as our highest, and after that we continue the loop because we have 3 students and the loop has a value of 2. So it's not the loop will continue to loop and loop. So after that we compare, this is the highest, and now this is the SI that grade. So SI that grade is greater than or equal to and our highest because this is first. We have here, we will say this one to be printed here. Yes, this one. Same here. Again. So it will be same here. And now we have the what's the highest grade? Highest grade of 1.0, 1.01, 1.0 or what plus 1. Now let's continue. We're almost done. So here we have we continue to go here now. For our lowest, so it's just the same. Just the same. The this part, I mean, that grade is greater than or equal to lowest. So meaning, as I said a while ago, college grading system is different. If you have a high number, I mean, we have grades say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have the grade of 5, meaning you are the lowest. So we use this condition to get the lowest. So again, this one after we get the lowest, set the lowest, set for the lowest and get count. Now let's go proceed here and get the count of the student here. Lowest student. So let's go back to our program. Get the lowest student. So let's see what's the lowest student. So now let's choose fourth display the lowest student. And now we can see that Superman is not that super intelligent man at all because he has the lowest grade among the 2 students we've added. You can see that the one has a final grade of 1.68 and Hello, the student Hello has a final grade of 1. So she is the highest, Hello. Student Hello is the highest. And Superman obviously has the lowest. Let's see this one. Lowest. the menu right now. Go back here. Even exit. So this one, just simply um, if after the user input this, I mean choose this, just save all information. This by using the syntax. We student text file for the now student text file. So save all information to avoid the lost. This file text avoid data loss. Then total number text file, number text para to avoid data loss. So this one, go back there. This one, 5. Then 7 5. So now, thank you. So the program is now totally done, and um, the user may now press this one goes to program. So I think that's all. Um, I hope you have understand something or something new or some idea. So if you want to get this program of them, I will put a link of the file and you can have it as your reference. So it has some light errors, but it will not affect uh, the total run of your program. And I think that's all. And I hope to see you again once again, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos about tutorial in programming. And I hope you have learned something. So once again, I am Hendrik, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you.